Prompt engineering for productivity and time management helps you transform AI into a powerful personal assistant. Whether you want to plan your day, overcome procrastination, or organize complex projects, the right prompts can make AI think like a productivity coach, helping you stay focused, efficient, and balanced. Let's begin with daily planning prompts. Instead of asking general questions like, "How can I be more productive?" try something actionable. Create a daily schedule for a content creator who works from home, including breaks, focused work sessions, and creative blocks. The AI will give you a structured plan that's realistic and personalized. You can even add constraints like, make sure it ends by 6 p.m. and includes exercise. For managing tasks, use priority-based prompts. Try, list my top priorities for the week based on these goals. Finish a presentation, write a blog, and prepare a client proposal. Then refine with, organize these tasks using the Eisenhower matrix: urgent, important, non-urgent, and non-important. This helps the AI help you visualize and act strategically. When you're feeling overwhelmed, use on-focus prompts. For example, act as a productivity coach and help me focus on one task at a time. Ask me questions to clarify what's most important right now. These conversational prompts create accountability and reflection, similar to working with a real mentor. You can also use time-blocking prompts to structure your day. Try, plan a 4-hour work session divided into focused 50-minute blocks with 10-minute breaks. Suggest what I should do in each block to complete a research paper. AI will build you a timeline that's easy to follow and efficient. Another great technique is habit tracking and improvement. Ask, help me build a morning routine that boosts energy and focus, or suggest 3 habits that would improve my time management as a small business owner. You can even go further with, create a weekly reflection template to track which habits are working and which need adjustment. Prompt engineering also supports decision-making efficiency. For instance, summarize the pros and cons of using Trello versus Notion for team management. Instead of spending hours comparing options, the AI provides clear, structured insights instantly. To maintain long-term motivation, try goal visualization prompts. Example, write a motivational paragraph describing what my work-life balance could look like if I consistently follow my time management plan. When read daily, this helps reinforce focus and purpose. For creators and professionals, project management prompts are invaluable. For example, outline a 5-step workflow for producing a podcast episode, from research to publishing, with estimated time for each step. Or, turn this list of to-dos into a weekly project tracker with deadlines and priorities. The AI can even format it in table or checklist form for clarity. A particularly effective pattern is reflection prompting, helping you learn from your productivity data. Try, analyze my week. I completed 4 tasks but missed 2 deadlines. Help me identify what went wrong and how to improve next week. The AI will act as a self-assessment partner, encouraging continuous growth. If you struggle with procrastination, prompt AI for behavior coaching. For example, act as a productivity therapist. Help me understand why I delay important tasks and suggest small, practical steps to break the habit. This builds emotional awareness along with strategy. In short, prompt engineering for productivity and time management is about using language to create structure. Each prompt gives AI a role: planner, strategist, or motivator, and each response gives you clarity. With consistent practice, AI becomes your daily productivity partner, helping you think better, work smarter, and reclaim time for what truly matters.